The St. Andrews South Police are encouraging business operators who've been victims of polka box theft to contact them immediately. Now, it comes following the arrest of one of the persons who the police believe is part of a group responsible for a string of robberies in the corporate area.
One such incident led us to the recovery of several roulette boxes and component parts for these boxes within the Cockburn Pen area. As a result of this, we have been able to arrest one person with regards to this, and he should be going before the court within the coming week. These are the poker boxes that are placed in the various bars. We have not only just the boxes in total, but also the component parts, the chips, the monitors, and all other aspects of this.
Now, the Divisional Crime Officer, Deputy Superintendent Keaton Barrett, says there have been an increase in robberies and theft in the St. Andrews South Police Division since the beginning of the year. However, he says the items seized may have been stolen from other divisions as part of a wider criminal operation. He says anyone claiming to be a victim must be able to have supporting documents for the items.